So I am here with another example of formation of differential equation. This is the same topic which we discussed in previous video. Now I am here with example 2 that says form the differential equation of y is equal to x plus 3e power minus x. What first we're gonna do is we will differentiate it with respect to x. Differentiate the equation with respect to x. So I have d over dx y is equal to d over dx x plus 3e power minus x. Differentiate with respect to x, that become dy over dx is equal to, now we have here d over dx. The derivative of x is 1. With respect to x we have to differentiate, plus 3 is constant here, 3. Now here is e power minus x. The derivative of e power minus x is e power minus x. So the derivative is e power minus x. Now here when we have power in the e power minus x, we take the derivative of that power into multiplication. Here e power minus x, so the derivative of minus x, which is power here. Now 1 plus 3 e power minus x, the derivative of minus x is minus 1, is equal to 1 minus plus minus 3 e power minus x. Dy over dx is equal to 1 minus, now what I observe here, I have 3 e power minus x, and in the question I have 3 e power minus x, but I don't have positive x. What I will do here, I'm gonna give here plus x by myself, and I will take the minus x by myself, because when you will cancel plus x minus x, then it will become again this. So I am giving here over dx is equal to 1 minus 3 e power minus x plus x minus x. So 3 e power minus x plus x, 3 e power minus x plus x is equal to y. I'm gonna write here y equal to I'm gonna write here y 1 minus y minus x, because this equation is equal to y. Simplify it, 1 minus plus minus y minus minus plus x dy over dx. Now I will take y. So this is the differential equation of the above equation, which is y is equal to x plus 3e power minus x.